gonna teach you how to build a birdhouse. And here are the instructions. I know you can see them, that's why I'm gonna come closer. It's a little castle.
For a birdhouse?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Logan and I have worked on several wood projects before in the past, and he's here on vacation, so we thought we would go ahead and slip in a wood project for this vacation. And so we're going to be making a birdhouse. Okay, and what type of wood do we have?
Pine.
Pine wood, and it comes from where? It sure does. So anyways, we have a couple of tools that we're going to be working with today. But before we get started with the tools, one thing that's very important is
Safety is first.
Safety is first.
We have our glasses, so no wood gets in our eyes. Have this mask, because so no wood gets on our mouth, and that would be a disaster.
Absolutely right. Absolutely. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started. He has a plan, and we're going to draw it out. We're going to take a minute to draw it out, and we'll be right back with you. We'll be using a miter saw, and what's the other saw?
Jigsaw.
The jigsaw.
But we're going to do that part later.
Yes,
Okay.
He's right. So he knows a lot about wood projects already. And how old are you?
7.
Woo! Okay.
7.5.
Oh, excuse me, 7.5. He's right. Yep. So, anyways, I'm a little older than that, and I'm Lorraine, but I'm also who?
My grandma.
Yup. I'm the proud grandma of Logan. So, anyways, well, let's get this started, huh? Okay.
Hello, we're going to cut the bottom of the birdhouse. And now we're about to do the miter saw. And we're going to get started.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the bottom.
We got the
All
bottom.
right, we got the bottom ready to go.
You should have your gloves on.
Oh, I left my gloves. Darn. Okay.
Hello, we just finished cutting this piece. Now we're going to do the sides.
How many cuts?
2.
2 cuts. Great. Okay, here we go. I'll be handing it to you,
And
and you're gonna.
I'm going to sand it down so there's no splinters.
All right, here we go.
Thank you.
Show them what it looks like when you cut there, and that's what you're gonna be cleaning up, right?
This is what I'm going to be cleaning up.
All right.
Just splinters.
There we go. All right, now we're going to be getting ready to measure the front and the back so we can make those cuts as well. Uh-oh, you forgot to put your little mask there on.
What?
Woohoo! So we got this, though. We're going to measure the 2 sides. I mean, the front and the back.
Here we are again.
It's us. We're still at it. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, do you want to explain where we're at right now in the process?
So right now we're at what are you
What?
calling it? Well,
You got where are we at right now with the birdhouse?
We cutted all the pieces. We're gonna glue them after we cut this last piece of the thing, and then we're gonna wait till tomorrow, and then we're gonna get back on this video and see if again. Let's get ready.
Okay, so can you tell us what you've got, what we have cut right here first?
First, we cut this part,
You have the base first.
the base. Well, first the bottom, and then we did the second pieces. Then these 2
The
pieces,
sides.
and then this is the last piece, which is on top. And this is going to be a birdhouse. These sides are going to be the holes. This one, and this one, and this one are going to be the holes, and we're going to attach them to a stick. And then this one, we're going to have this thing, tie it on some string, hang it somewhere over here where we are, And then we're gonna hang it like this, and then it's gonna go this way.
Yeah, it'll
And
be
it's
something
gonna
like
be
that.
cool, and it's gonna be lift up and lift down. When the bird is out, we're gonna lift it down.
And these are his ideas. He's created this design for this birdhouse here. So cool process as each step
At a time.
that he comes up with. Okay, Logan measured this last piece that I'm gonna cut for the top, and he's instructed me to make this last cut for now. Here we go. Ready, Logan?
Yep.
Okay. Right on. Thank you for turning away.
I'm gonna let Gramma do this part.
Here you go. Stand that real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay.
My sister's trying.
Yeah, she's up now. Okay. Be right back with you, and I think we'll be continuing this process tomorrow. Take care.
Take care, everybody.
What are you doing this part for?
I'm trying to make a birdhouse
And this part is for what?
for the cut.
Press down, baby. Okay, now. Hold on. Nice job.
Let me try it again.
It's great. So what are you doing on this part right here? With your sanding block? Nice job.